Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are notified for my future videos. And today is January 25th. It's currently 5:38 a.m. We're joining the Cancer Society for Stride Against Cancer for 10K walk and run, but most likely walking. So we're gonna do. So I'm heading now to the public beach to meet my brothers and my sister-in-law, so we can walk together in this. Our mom joined our creator last year, April, because of thyroid cancer. So we're here to do this thing to raise awareness and also to donate in the Cancer Society here in Grand Cayman Islands. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Tara!
Mag-start na tayo.
Kuya Muning,
Ano? Malapit na.
Malapit na.
Ay ko.
tayo lang pala yung walkathon.
Ako maglalakad lang talaga kami.
Yan yun, mag-i-start na din yun.
Morning, I'm so good. Nakaka 5 miles na ba tayo? 1 mile na ba?
0.95.
0.95.
Oo. Ayun siya. Ano lang yun? Mag-ano lang siya.
Ilan na tayo, de? Ilan na?
1.6.
Kilometer ba yan? Paramihin na natin yung kilometer. 1.6.
2 miles na. Weekdays na, 2 miles na. Sabi ko bakit ganun? 106 kanina. Pabalik.
So, 2 miles.
2 miles.
Ilan na tayo? Update.
Hi! 2.8 miles.
2.8.
Almost. Ma-almost.
Oh, Gloria!
O, pwede naman
Sun is coming na. Turning upside down.
Halfway.
Ano te? Thank you.
Yeah.
Pag hindi pa natin siya nakita sa iyo, punta.
Ilan na te?
Ayun o.
Ilang miles na?
3 miles!
Good morning.
Asan?
Ayun yun.
Ikot ka! Ikot ka!
Tagal ah. Tinakbo pala. Tumakbo na pala.
Tumakbo naman pala.
Almost there. Ilan na te? Ilan na?
3 miles.
3 miles.
Morning! Good job!
Morning! Ako maunahan pa tayo ni Kuya. Pawis na pawis na eh. Ilan na te?
Here you go. 3.66 miles.
3.66. Ilan ba total?
Ito pala, alas
5 mile ba? 5 miles?
Hindi, 10 kilometers.
Must be 6, no? Must be 6?
Oo, 10 kilometers.
Sana all na sa iyo.
Gatorade here, water in the white cups.
Absolutely.
But now hear the story. Is you vex with me? Like I do something.
May napatakbo eh.
Dito ka, be.
Ang pabida-bida, kala mo marathoner. Ilan na te?
4 miles.
4 months. Wow, look at the sun. Tara na, te. Takbo tayo konti. Tara na. Dito lang, dito lang. Dito.
Mabagal lang, ah.
Oh, jogging place lang. Dito lang, dito lang. Mga susunod na taon, ganyan si Elena. Yeah. Lord, ulit! Asan ba? Ang bilis kasi nyo maglakad. Sumakses. Okay, ilan na te, ilan na te?
Here you go. 5.83 miles.
Woohoo! 5.83. 6 miles nga. We're almost at the end.
Saan ba? Di dapat dito? Kasi nga, maraming doon. Ilang kotse din yung kaninang pumasok.
Fantastic work, everyone. We're almost there. Finish line is just within your sights.
Noon, nag-alisa na yan kanina.
Wow! Thank you! Wow! We made it! Woo! How many? How many? How many?
6 months na.
6 months! 6 months! See?
Here you go.
6 months!
Sumabon.
Oh, banana. Banana? Do you need a stab here?
No, kapul yan.
Ah, raffle.
Thank you. I think this is for the raffle.
Thank you. Hey, banana. My some of the workmates here is doing calisthenics. Just gonna say hi. Okay, Vivek, let's go. Good job.
Ano ko?
Ay, ko John.
Saan nakapark? Ha?